In a bid to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian government has cleared 2 more vaccines and 1 antiviral drug for emergency use. The 2 latest vaccines that have been given a green signal are Serum Institute of India's Covovax and a biological ease jab Corbevax. Apart from this, anti-COVID pill Molnupiravir has also been approved for restricted use in an emergency situation. Now, taking to Twitter, India's Union Health Minister Molnupiravir said that the step has been taken to strengthen the country's fight against COVID-19, and the 3 approvals of the vaccine and the antiviral drug will boost India's fight against the pandemic. The Union Health Minister further said that the Covovax, which is India's first homegrown RBD protein sub-unit vaccine, is now the 3rd vaccine to be developed in India. And other 2 vaccines that have been made in India are Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and the Serum Institute of India's Covishield. Now, the announcement comes a day after an expert panel of the country's Central Drug Authority recommended granting emergency use authorization to Covovax and Corbevax. However, only with certain conditions. The committee also approved granting restricted emergency use approval to the drug Molnupiravir for treatment of adult patients with COVID-19 and have high chances of a progression of the disease. With the latest approvals, a total of 8 COVID-19 vaccines have received emergency use authorization from India's drug regulator. Remember, earlier Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced India's booster campaign, in which COVID-19 booster shots will be administered to healthcare workers, frontline workers and those above the age of 60 with comorbidities from 10th of January. Apart from this, in a bid to expand its vaccination drive, those aged between 15 to 18 will also start receiving their COVID-19 vaccination from the 3rd of January. Meanwhile, with India's national capital New Delhi's positivity rate remaining above the 0.5% mark for the 2nd consecutive day, the government has now issued a yellow alert for the national capital. Now, under the yellow alert, activities that were resumed in phases during the 2nd wave of the pandemic will come to a grinding halt. As of now, New Delhi has reported a total tally of 14,000 cases of coronavirus with 25,000 deaths. The city has been witnessing a gradual rise in daily number of infections amid a looming threat of Omicron variant, which has triggered alarm globally as well. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.